Single attached and single detached homes. Anong pinagkaiba nila? Hi everyone! Jen here, your VA and real estate agent. So, baka nakatanggap na kayo ng brochure or nakapag-tripping na kayo sa isang project. And baka narinig nyo na rin ng terms na single attached and single detached homes. Usually, mas malaki yung lot area ng single detached compare sa single attached homes. Pero ang pinaka main difference nila is kung paano sila nakaposisyon sa lote. Let me show you by using this whiteboard. So ayan, pagpasensyahan nyo na yung drawing ko. So imagine ito yung lote nyo at ito yung bahay nyo. So, kapag single attached, yung property or yung bahay nyo ay nakadikit sa lot line. And kapag single detached naman, lahat ng sides nakahiwalay sa lot line. Walang nakadikit. So, let's say, may katabing property. May katabi. Papasensya yung drawing ko. Okay. Let's say may katabing property na single attached din. Okay? Single attached din. Ang tawag na dyan ay duplex. At kapag meron pang more than one sunod-sunod na property na magkakatabi, ang tawag na ay townhouse. So that's it. I hope it helps. Sana nakatulong to explanation ko, and if you have any questions, clarification, or kung gusto nyo magpa-assist sa paghahanap ng dream home nyo, feel free to comment down below and send me a message. And I'd be happy to help. See you on the next one!